Dear friend, now this is what you call tell me it is Easter without telling me it is Easter. This Italian Easter bread is the beauty you need to add to your feast this Easter. Start off with 1.5 cups of warm milk, a pack of active dry yeast, and let it sit until it blooms. The plan is to make poolish with this, which is essentially a pre-ferment. Add in 1.5 cups of bread flour and 2 eggs. Mix until it has formed a shaggy dough. Cover and let this double in size in a warm place. Now we will need dyed eggs for this recipe, so if you don't already know how to dye eggs, check out sturvsbyiddy for my 10-minute recipe on how to dye eggs. Our pre-ferment has risen, so it's now time to add in the rest of the flour, the sugar, lemon and orange zests, salt, and softened butter. Begin to knead using a stand mixer or by hand. I added in some vanilla extract and continued to mix. It is important that you dedicate at least 5 to 7 minutes of continuous kneading to this dough so that it forms enough gluten and becomes elastic. Form into a ball, cover, and leave it to sit in a warm place for at least an hour, or till it simply doubles in size. Now, the fragrance within my space at this time had changed drastically due to the orange and lemon zest in the dough. It was amazing. Now, divide the dough into 2 equal sections. Take 1/2 and divide into 3 equal sections. You want to roll out each of the portions into ropes of equal length. The plan is to form braided dough with this. Pin the ropes on one end. You just want to pinch it, right? Pinch it together. Begin braiding tightly. It is important to braid it tight because it's going to want to unravel as you're braiding it, so you don't want that. So try to braid it tight and then loop into one circle. Now place 1 dyed egg in each loaf and you cover and let this sit for another 30 minutes just for it to rise again. When it is risen, you want to brush with some nice egg wash and pour on your colorful sprinkles. Now, I believe the look of this Italian Easter bread is exactly what gives it that you know, it has a signature look. It's beautiful to the eyes and very, very nice to the taste. Let it bake in your 375-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Downright gorgeous. Now, thanks so much for watching this video. Not so fast though. Have you subscribed yet? Please like, subscribe, and share. Till my next video, take care and stay blessed.